Feeling good?
STEM Nola partnered with Jefferson Parish Schools to engage students in specialized STEM programming during the school district's 2021 Summer Bridge program.
Going on it? Now, is it actually moving?
STEM Nola provided tools to offer STEM instruction to at least 3,200 students during the month-long partnership, engaging students and teachers in hands-on STEM activities focused on buoyancy and density and force and motion.
I connected the motor to the wires, put the batteries in.
In addition to the weekly themed STEM lesson activities, students built their own powered boats and cars, while engaging in rich discussion and analysis of the scientific and engineering theories applied.
This is because water and oil do not mix, so the oil sits on top of the water.
The goal? To provide students with the learning they need to be successful in the 21st century, and to provide accelerated learning opportunities to students throughout the summer.